If you are tired of heavy sweets but still want something satisfying, this traditional Nachni Satva is perfect. Simple ingredients, real nourishment. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creation. Here I have half cup of ragi. I washed it 3 times with plain water, then I soaked it overnight. In the morning I rinsed it again with plain water. Now I am transferring it into a mixer jar. Then add some water, cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Place a strainer on a bowl and transfer the ragi from the mixer jar into the strainer. Since there was some ragi remaining in the mixer jar, I added little water to it and now I am transferring it into the strainer. Now we will strain it like this. Then transfer the ingredients from the strainer into the mixer jar again, grind it with little water and then strain it again. We will keep this aside for 1 hour. Next, add 1 cup of grated coconut to a mixer jar. Add water. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Then place a strainer on a bowl. Transfer the ground coconut into the strainer. Since there was some coconut remaining in the mixer jar, I added little water to it and now I am transferring it into the strainer. Then extract the thick coconut milk. It's been 1 hour now and as you can see there's some excess water. We will discard this water. Then we will transfer this into a kadai. Now add the thick coconut milk. I am adding half cup of chopped palm jaggery. Less than half teaspoon of salt as required, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, some chopped cashew nuts. Place the kadai on low flame. Keep stirring continuously until it thickens. It has begun thickening. After some time, add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Keep stirring continuously. As you can see, the mixture is thickened. Now turn off the flame. Soon pour it into a greased mold cautiously. This is the consistency. Add little clarified butter on top and spread it like this. Smoothen it. If you enjoyed this simple traditional recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Goan favorites. We'll keep this aside to let it set and cool. Then unmold onto a plate and cut into pieces. Just look at the texture, rich, glossy and beautifully thick. It holds its shape, soft yet firm, mildly sweet and so satisfying. And it's ready, smooth and perfectly set. This is the kind of pudding you eat slowly, spoon by spoon. Simple, filling and deeply comforting. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.